If you have enjoyed my latest video about Facebook prospecting via a tool called Intelligent Source, so I want today to share with you another one cool tool which also will be great for you for Facebook prospecting. So let's make a small review about this tool. It's called Facebook Scanner. So just let me show you how you can use it. Let's launch our intelligent search, and for example, let's pretend we want to find CEOs who actually live now in Amsterdam, Netherlands. So let's do a search, and here we can see a list of such CEOs, and let's choose, for example, Mark. So now we have got a Mark's account, and we can put his account here in Stalkscan.com. So what we can see here, we can see all the pictures, for example, simply made by Mark. Why it is important? Just I will show you. For example, we can see Mark is a speaker. So if we want, it would be a conversation starter. For example, we can just see where this picture was made. It was actually 7 years ago without any mentions. So can see the events and other things. So like just we can use this information for conversation starter, like just so your public speaking or just some your events, for example, like this. And it would be a great start for a conversation. So let's see what other cool things we can see here. Posts. So we can see what our prospects post about. Actually, unfortunately, I don't know Dutch, so unfortunately can't understand anything here. So let's go and see groups. So here we can see where our target audience actually hang out. So we can use these groups for prospecting, for posting, for engagement, and any other marketing activities. So the next things, future and past events, we can see what kind of events our prospects attend. So we can, of course, if there are any kind of events, we might participate as speakers, sponsors. So we can use these events to generate leads. And future events. So unfortunately, no future events. So let's close it and see another thing. Games, apps. So tags where, for example, our prospect, photos where our prospect was tagged. So we just can see all this stuff here. And for example, places, music, books, movies, restaurants, and important thing, friends. So we can see are there any common friends who can introduce us. For example, here we can see I have 2 friends who can introduce me to Mark. So if I'll plan any activities with Mark, so I can ask Pavel or Andrei to introduce me to Mark. Coworkers, the same. We can see, for example, if we run account-based marketing campaigns, so we can download all the coworkers of Mark and use them for prospecting or for targeted ads or any other kind of campaigns you might run. The same, classmates, friends of friends, family. So pages also we can see which are prospects like. That's amazing because you just simply put a link to your prospect profile and you can gather all the information from the one place. So I definitely recommend use this tool, and if you mix it with intelligent search, it would be a great stack for Facebook prospecting.